If you're looking for a small, budget-friendly cordless leaf blower, this is one I highly recommend you check out. As you can see right here in the video, it's pretty small and definitely strong enough to get little areas around your yard and different things like this, or maybe if you need to get some stuff off of your deck, or just kind of blowing grass clippings and some small leaves and different stuff like that. Definitely think this would be a good one for you. And again, I know a lot of areas that you actually have to use different battery packs, and so this would definitely be a good one for that. As you can see right here, it does a great job in these little leaves and just small little items like that, small sticks and other stuff like that. And it even got pretty good at some of the larger leaves as well. But you can see all this area is not super heavy dense with wet leaves or any kind of thing like that, so it does a pretty good job and definitely cleans. I also like the weight on this. It's really lightweight, so you're able to just blow and not have to worry about your arm giving out or any kind of thing like that. Or maybe you're a little older and you just need something lightweight. This is definitely a great one for that. As you can see right here, it has a nice little arm on it. You're able to, again, get down pretty low with this, and it's super easy to put together. It's just two little pieces that kind of go together, which is nice. But as you can see right here, you're able to just get all of these items. So again, I'm blowing off my driveway, then my stairs, and then all the other places just in my yard. It does have a little bit of trouble, you can see right here with these limbs. After you get them going, you can definitely move them out of the way, but it takes a couple minutes for those to kind of get going. It also has multiple settings. You can see right here, it's a pretty small leaf blower itself, which is nice, and you can also see all the different sizes right here. Nice for that. But it also has two batteries, which is really nice, and it even has a charger, which is really cool as well. So you're able to charge one while you're using one, which is super convenient if you've ever run out of battery. That's definitely something I recommend. Another thing I like about this is it does have multiple settings, so if you don't want to go as hard as it goes, you can back it back down to 1, or if you want it to go full speed, you can go all the way up to 5 as well. So really cool features. I think this thing is great, really lightweight. It can do a really good job. I don't know about a large yard, but overall, this has done a great job just right here for my concrete, and definitely can do a good job in a smaller yard or even, apartment kind of area. So overall, I think it's a great option. Highly recommend you check this out.